On today's video, I will show you guys how to buy Bitcoin if you're currently in South Africa, and roll the camera. I'm Digital Digits, bringing you a weekly video on Bitcoin. So today I'll show you guys how to buy Bitcoin on the Luno exchange. So what is Luno? Luno is an exchange created by South African developers, and their headquarters are usually found at the UK. They're at the UK. So if you log in into their website, we'll come to this page and it will show you what Luno offers. You can buy Bitcoin and Ethereum, and now it recently supports Bitcoin Cash. So you can download this app on Google Play and iOS devices on your mobile device. If you're using your PCs and laptops, you're logging into their websites. If you want to start, you can go to the sign up section at the top, the blue icon on the right. When you're done filling in your information and details, you'll first need to upload your documents, ID, and proof of residence if you wanna buy Bitcoin. But you can upload these documents at a later stage, any point in time. So when you're actually done, it will show you this page. On this page, it will show you the current price of Bitcoin and Ethereum. So Bitcoin is currently at 130,000. Then if you want to buy Bitcoin, you just go here and request the amount of Bitcoin that you want. You can start as little as 50 rands. If you want to see that it works, you can start with the small amounts like 50 rand, or even higher amounts, 10,000, 20,000. But they will give you the details so you can when you buy Bitcoin, it will show you the deposit details for your specific ZAR wallet. You get a ZAR wallet where you deposit the money in, so you can buy Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is split into 8 decimal places. So if you want to buy 1,000 rands of Bitcoin, it will be 0.007663. So the minimum amount is 50 rands. So if you click on explore is where you will find all of the news and crypto news which they upload via the Luno website. All of the information about what's happening today on the website, it will be shown on the explore page, and you can read the articles and the news. If you click on the wallets, it will show you the wallet and amount of Bitcoins that you purchased, or if you still have ZAR. So if you click on wallets, so this is my profile page on Luno. So guys, I have 2 accounts on Luno, and this account, I currently have 1,700 ZAR, which is, when you convert it into Bitcoins, which is 0.013712 Bitcoins. So when you guys deposit the money, it will reflect maybe within 1 or 2 days. Your amount will be shown in your ZAR wallet right here, the corner. Then you can buy Bitcoin. I prefer buying and holding Bitcoin and not buying Bitcoin on the exchange. I'll show you a video at a later stage if you wanna trade on the exchange, or buy at the exchange and sell at the exchange. So you can buy, sell, send and receive Bitcoin if you have the Luno app. Maybe if you wanna sell your Bitcoins, you can just click sell. If you wanna buy Bitcoin, you buy. If you wanna send Bitcoin to someone, you send. And if you're receiving Bitcoin, you press receive. But I'll show you on another video how to receive and send Bitcoin. So if you need help, you can just click on the home and go down and press the help button. If you go to the help section, so on the help section, it will be the Luno Help Center, where you can ask questions if you need help or don't understand something on how to deposit, on how to buy Bitcoin, and etc. They have an online service which can help you do so. So now let's go and look at the exchange. But I prefer I prefer that you don't buy on the exchange or trade on the exchange. So this is the exchange on Luno. If you are experienced trader, you can just place an order on the order books, which will show on the left hand side of the screen. But I'll show you guys how to trade on the Luno exchange. But I will show you at a later stage, because now I'm making a video on how to buy Bitcoin. So if you have Bitcoins, you can just place them here on the exchange. So now let's look at the fees which they charge you on Luno. So the Luno fees are the taker fee, which is 0.25%, and a withdrawal fee, and this is how much of Bitcoins that they will take. And this is a small amount, so it's not as much. The fees aren't too bad because every platform has their own specific kind of fees. So this will be it on today's video. I hope this video helped you a lot. Make sure you guys subscribe, leave a comment if you don't understand anything, and I'll see you next time. So guys, stay digital.